Namaste. Welcome to the YouTube channel of Octaves Online. Let us learn to play an open or resonant stroke on the dagga. Place the base of your palm right next to the syahi and curve your palm and fingers like this in the shape of a cobra, and place the wrist on the dagga such that your hand is rested till the edge of the drum. Do not lift your elbow and shoulder like that. Rest your hand comfortably on the dagga till the edge of the drum. Now, join the middle and ring finger together, and with the very tip of your fingers, you need to strike on the middle white ring again, the maidan or the law, like this. This sound is called gay. Since this is an open resonating sound, you must strike and bounce back the striking finger instantly, like this. So your hand in the shape of a cobra and the stroke like a stinging cobra. Gay. 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 So you can play the same stroke of gay with your index finger as well. And you must make sure you do not strike with your nails. You must strike with your skin. Gay, 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 gay. And it's a very good habit to alternate these fingers, the middle and ring finger together, and then the index finger, then the middle fingers, and then the index finger again, just like you pedal a bicycle with your left leg and right and left and right. Imagine how difficult it would be to ride a bicycle just with one leg. So you must alternate these fingers and get good speed in playing. Gay, 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 gay. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel of Octaves Online for more videos.